As inhabitants of a seemingly expansive world with towering mountain ranges and seemingly boundless oceans, we often take for granted our place in the grand scheme of the universe. Yet, in the vastness of space, our planet is but a fleeting speck, vulnerable to the constant barrage of asteroids and comets that the universe sends our way. And now, it seems that something of unprecedented proportions may be making its way towards us, a celestial event that could potentially shake the very foundations of our understanding of the cosmos. Could this be the approach of a massive asteroid, a celestial body with the power to alter the course of human history and alter the very fabric of our world? In a recent development, NASA has detected an enormous celestial body on a collision course with Earth, leaving researchers to speculate about its nature, size, and potential consequences if it were to make impact with our planet. The Earth is no stranger to extraterrestrial impacts, having been subjected to countless such events throughout its 4.5 billion-year history. In fact, the Earth is struck by over 17,000 celestial bodies each year, though most are too diminutive to reach the surface. Scientists utilize telescopes and satellites to track as many of these objects as possible, but the vastness of space renders it nearly impossible to monitor them all. However, one particular asteroid has garnered attention due to its potential to cause catastrophic effects if it were to collide with Earth. Allow us to introduce 99,942 Apophis, a near-Earth asteroid that has piqued the curiosity of scientists since its discovery. This potentially hazardous celestial body, measuring a staggering 450 meters in diameter, was initially believed to be on a collision course with Earth, with projections indicating that it would make impact on April 13, 2029. Towering above the Empire State Building at 443 meters, Apophis has the potential to unleash the kinetic energy equivalent to over 1,200 megatons of TNT upon impact. If it were to make landfall in North America, the resulting devastation could be catastrophic, razing much of the United States to the ground. For context, the asteroid that caused the mass extinction of the dinosaurs, resulting in a crater estimated to be 118 miles in diameter and over 12 miles deep, was approximately 10 kilometers in diameter. Although Apophis is of a lesser magnitude compared to the Chicxulub asteroid, the catastrophic consequences of an impact would be comparable due to the concentrated nature of humanity on our planet in present times. The Chicxulub asteroid, which collided with our planet over 66 million years ago, was imbued with an impact energy surpassing 100 million megatons of TNT. The impact generated winds with velocities exceeding 1,000 kilometers per hour, disseminating a cloud of ash and incandescent dust that ascended into the sky, enveloping an entire continent in a matter of hours. The asteroid impact was so formidable that it hurled over 25 million metric tons of rocky debris into the atmosphere, most of which would have traveled at unbelievable speeds and escaped the grasp of Earth's atmosphere, hurtling towards other parts of the solar system. The remaining rocky materials unable to break free from Earth's orbit would have been subjected to extreme heat upon re-entry into the atmosphere, melting into incandescent rock that ignited wildfires that eradicated over 70% of the planet's flora and vegetation. The asteroid's collision caused a thick veil of dust to obscure the sky, plunging the planet into a frigid decade-long winter punctuated by showers of corrosive acid rain. Despite its diminutive size in comparison to the Chicxulub asteroid, Apophis still has the potential to unleash a cataclysmic level of destruction on a smaller scale. Given the current populous density, the potential devastation of such an impact would be equally terrifying. The aftermath of an asteroid strike can be influenced by a variety of factors, including the asteroid's chemical makeup, the angle at which it hits the surface, and the location of the impact. Scientists work tirelessly to track the trajectory of the asteroid Apophis in order to determine where on Earth it would make impact so that they could strategize ways to deflect it. The intense focus on the asteroid's movements was motivated by the potentially catastrophic effects it could have on our planet. Employing advanced computer simulations, researchers were able to ascertain that if Apophis were to make landfall, it could potentially strike countries such as Colombia, Venezuela, and Russia, resulting in a staggering 10 million casualties. Alternatively, if the asteroid were to make contact with the Atlantic or Pacific Ocean, it would likely generate a series of catastrophic, short-range tsunamis with a destructive radius of approximately 1,000 kilometers, affecting much of North America, Africa, Brazil, and Japan. Despite initial concerns, it has been determined that the likelihood of an impact on Earth from asteroid Apophis in 2029 is highly unlikely. However, there is still the possibility of the asteroid returning to our planet on its subsequent orbit. Through further study, scientists have discovered that Apophis may pass through a gravitational keyhole measuring approximately 800 millimeters in diameter. This could cause the asteroid to be slingshot onto a new trajectory, potentially leading to an impact on Earth on April 13, 2036. It was subsequently determined that the chance of Apophis entering the gravitational keyhole and altering its course towards Earth was highly improbable, leading to the asteroid being removed from most global monitoring lists. However, scientists continue to monitor any potential changes in the asteroid's trajectory that could be caused by interactions with other celestial bodies in space. The celestial body known as 2022 UG1 proved to be a minor threat to our planet, as it was merely a meter in diameter. However, its trajectory towards Earth was detected by astronomers, who alerted NASA's Scout Impact Hazard Assessment System. Using this technology, experts were able to determine when and where the asteroid would make landfall, in this case, over Ontario, Canada on November 19, 2022. As the asteroid entered the upper atmosphere, it created a dazzling display of fiery debris before ultimately disintegrating and showering small meteorites over southern Ontario. While events like these may seem inconsequential, they serve an important purpose in helping NASA track and identify near-Earth objects that manage to pass through our atmosphere. Efforts to track and detect asteroids with the potential to impact Earth are critical, and NASA plays a crucial role in these endeavors. The European Space Agency was able to remove the asteroid known as Asteroid, or AE1, from the list of celestial objects that pose a potential threat to Earth. Initially predicted to collide with our planet on July 4, 2023, this 70-meter wide asteroid would have been the most destructive impact in the past 2,000 years. While the removal of these asteroids from the watch list is certainly good news, it's important to consider our preparedness in the event of an asteroid hit that is imminent. Space agencies around the world have developed various methods and strategies to protect the Earth from asteroids on a collision course. One such strategy involves launching missiles to intercept the asteroid and either destroy it or deflect it off its path. NASA has recently conducted a successful mission known as Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, which aims to test our planetary defenses against near-Earth objects. The mission was designed to understand the impact a spacecraft would have upon collision with an asteroid and how effectively momentum would be transferred upon hitting the asteroid head-on. With this mission, NASA has demonstrated its ability to defend the Earth against potential asteroid impacts. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART mission, was a NASA space mission designed to assess the efficacy of planetary defense against near-Earth objects. On November 24, 2021, the DART probe was launched from Earth with the aim of colliding with the asteroid Didymos, also known as Dimorphos, and altering its orbital speed. In October of 2022, NASA announced that the DART mission was a complete success, with the probe successfully impacting Dimorphos and reducing its orbital speed by 32 minutes. However, it is worth noting that asteroids are not the only celestial bodies that pose a threat to life on Earth. Our galaxy is filled with objects and phenomena that can send bursts of energy, such as radiation and stellar wind, towards the solar system and potentially towards Earth. These include neutron stars, supernova, and even our own sun.